Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday, December 20th, and I'm going to be baking some cookies. I got these Hershey's a while back. As you guys saw, they're the Hugs Hershey's, and they have this recipe right on the back. And I was reading the recipe and I had everything except for the chocolates and this this chocolate. So these are the only two items that I had to buy. Everything else we have here, and I'm just gonna go by this recipe here, and that's it. So these are the items that I'm using. Like I said, I had everything here. I just needed the chocolate and the powder. Okay you guys, so I guess I forgot to press record at the beginning. What you saw, I'm gonna be beating together the sugar, shortening, and butter. So that's what I'm beating together, and then we'll start from there.
Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Okay, so I just finished up everything, and I have my two cookie doughs separated. You could do them, so you can make them all chocolate or all like this sugar cookie type, or you can mix them together and make them marble, because they are the Hugs, so they're white and white chocolate and regular chocolate. So I'll probably do like mixing them together.
Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young.
Okay, so these are the first few that I made. I don't have a cooling rack and a big cookie sheet, so that's why I have to do a little bit at a time. But I think they came out okay, and I'm probably gonna let it cool some more and taste one. I have 2 batches in the oven right now, and it should be coming out pretty soon. I'll show you guys those ones.
Be here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year. My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to...
Okay, you guys, so I'm all done making the cookies. As you saw, I tried making them small, but I went by the instructions and it says to take like a tiny bit and mix them together, but they're coming out too small, so I just started making them bigger. And I still have a lot of the chocolates left, so that's gonna go into the chocolate jar or candy jar. But this is just the recipe I went by. I'm pretty sure you could probably add more chocolate and make the whole thing chocolate and put those peppermint ones on top. I think that would be good. But that's it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. I forgot to taste one. It's pretty good, I think. I wish this was like the cookie was like a little bit chewier, but it's pretty good. I like it.